Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your AirPods are connected and visible in Bluetooth. Once done, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, then tap the information icon next to your AirPods case entry. You do this because the case sound control is tied to the device profile in iOS. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS to see all toggles. If you don't, update now and return here before proceeding to the next step. You'll now look for a specific chime or case sound toggle in the AirPods settings page. Toggle that option off to silence the case chime. This disables the lid open/close sound. If the option prompts for confirmation, accept it. Once toggled, test by opening the case near the phone to ensure silence. If you don't find the toggle, make sure to check accessibility audio settings and any manufacturer app. Sometimes the control lives there instead of the main Bluetooth pane. Finish by testing the case in real conditions. Open and close it multiple times near your paired device to confirm the sound is gone. If the setting didn't stick, reset by forgetting the AirPods in Bluetooth and repairing them. This often applies new preferences. If silence still fails, update the AirPods firmware via the paired iPhone and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: perform a soft reset and check for iOS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.